everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an exciting topic for you. We will be diving into the amazing world of animals, showcasing the top 5 creatures with the most incredible and unique abilities you won't believe. From creatures that can regenerate limbs to those with unbelievable superpowers. These animals are truly nature's wonders. Let's jump right into it. Let's start with the amazing Axolotl, a creature known for its remarkable regenerative powers. This small salamander can regrow entire limbs, spinal cord, and even parts of its heart and brain. Unlike most animals, axolotls don't scar when they regenerate, making them a biological wonder. Researchers are studying their ability to regenerate tissue to learn how to help humans heal from injuries and diseases. Imagine being able to grow back a lost arm or heal a damaged organ. That is the power of the axolotl. It is truly one of nature's most incredible feats of regeneration. Next, we have the electric eel, an animal that generates up to 600 volts of electricity to stand prey and defend itself. This eel uses specialized cells called electrocytes to create electricity, making it one of the nature's most powerful creatures. With this ability, it can paralyze the prey or even light up the water in dark environments. Interestingly, electricals don't just use their power for hunting, they also communicate with one another using electrical signals. Their shocking abilities are one of the most incredible feats found in nature. Here is a creature that is nearly indestructible, the tardigrade, also known as a water beater. These microscopic animals can survive extreme environments that would kill most other life forms. Tardigrades can endure freezing temperatures, boiling heat, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. They do this by doing into a dormant state, where they are effectively frozen in time until conditions improve. They have even been found in some of the harshest places on Earth, from deep sea trenches to the highest mountain tops. The tardigrade is truly a living miracle of survival. Now meet the cuttlefish, the ocean's master of camouflage. This incredible creature can change the color and texture of its skin in the blink of an eye, blending perfectly into the surroundings. Cuttlefish have a special skin cells called chromatophores, which allow them to manipulate their appearance to hide from predators or sneak up on prey. Not only does it change color, but it can also mimic texture from rocky surface to sandy bottoms. With these abilities, the cuttlefish can disappear right before your eyes, making it one of the ocean's most elusive creatures. Finally, we have the Mantis Shrimp, a tiny creature with a punch that picks a punch harder than a bullet. This shrimp can strike with speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour, creating shock waves that can shatter shells and glass. The force behind their punch is so powerful that it can stun or kill prey instantly. Mantis shrimp also have the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom, allowing them to see a range of colors and light wavelengths that humans can't even imagine. Their combination of speed, strength, and vision makes them one of the ocean's most extraordinary predators.